Hello and welcome to what might be the last of our spooky, creepy Halloween type cues for a while. This is entitled Creepy Kids and there's loads more of these on a playlist somewhere over there. Like and subscribe is always appreciated. So the description of the brief we've got this week is we're venturing into unsettling world of creepy kids, eerie but innocent. So dusty music box playing, a haunting melody, child's laughter echoing down a hallway, that sort of thing. So musically, focus on music box melodies, celeste, pizzicato strings, subtle dissonance. So keep it light and delicate, but enough tension to throw things off kilter. So we're thinking of eerie childlike moments in paranormal caught on camera, something like that. So innocent, but a little bit too creepy for comfort. I think first thing I'm going to do is try and find some innocent, creepy kids. See you in a sec. Well, that was surprisingly easy. I opened up Contact, typed in the word creepy, and came up with this sound from Playbox called Sleeping Kids, and it does this. I think that's creepy enough for the time being. Let's see what we can put on top of it. Well, here's a nice creepy sound from Polaris. Little ambient drops. And something I removed from last time's cue was actually string murmurations, but I think it works really well here. Because you just leave them to their own devices, the long notes, and they evolve. But then you can guide the melody by adding in the extra notes as well. So there we go. That's turning out quite spooky and creepy at the moment. Let's find something else. So I'm not sure how these are going to work and whether the transition needs to come in earlier, but we've got two sounds here. We've got a transition from damage, and then from gravity I've got this accent, so you'll hear them both. They only play once and then fade out, but this is what we've got in them. And the gravity accent, again, a bit like those Polaris drops, do slightly pitch bend down as well, which I think complements them really well. Right, what's next? Okay, so I figured I needed some playables, but I'm not going with loops this time. So with mosaic bass, we've got this. So that's quite nice. And again, with damage, the organic low, we've got these hits, which have a double one at the end. Slightly fainter, like that. The only thing I'm going to look for now is some sort of vocal effects, I suppose. See if we can find something that suits that. Well, here's a bit of a suits you sir moment, as I did find some vocal effects from Eric Whittaker Choir doing this. That's going to sound pretty creepy, isn't it? I think that's enough for now because we don't want to overload this, and I'll play it for you as a bit of an outro so you can hear what we've got so far. We're nearly up to 30 seconds actually because of that long introduction that I did. Don't forget to like and subscribe, that's always appreciated. I'll play it for you now. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.